Hello Shweta Devi, could you please tell us the symptoms of jinn?
Okay, now there are several symptoms of jinns, but then I would want that you should just get to know about few of them, because the other symptoms cannot be revealed also. They cannot be decoded. The first thing is that whenever you have a jinn, whether this is a direct possession by the jinn, like we talked about in the previous video, or even if it's done through a black magic, through any tantra practices by any evil tantric or any evil maulana with their practices. The first thing is, like I explained you in the starting, that jinns are made out of fire. They are fire entities. So you will start feeling unnecessarily heat in your body system. That simply means that, even if you're sitting in an air conditioner, still you will feel, that there's so much of heat happening in my body. That is very unrealistic. That is one symptom to start with, the beginning. Now, don't get after my life saying that, I already feel so warm. That means people who feel, little heated up in a more extension way, that means all are associated with jinns. No. There's a very different sort of a heat that cannot be explained. You can only feel that, you're feeling very warm all of a sudden. When the climate is okay also. Even in the winters, for that matter, your body will be completely heated up all the time. And due to that, you can also have some stomach infection, upset stomach, because of the excess heat in the body. So that is one. Second, excess of alcohol. Even if a person never used to drink before, the person will start drinking. And the drinking will become an everyday activity and a very high degree activity. Then, you talk about non-vegetarian food. Now, people I know who listen to these videos, some are vegetarians, some are non-vegetarians. I am not saying that all non-vegetarian people who are eating non-veg food, they are associated with jinns. No. But anything in excess is bad, and something which is so abnormal that a person is having, unlimited non-veg items of different animals to eggs to so many other things. That is something which is, that food you're not eating, that food the jinn is eating. You are taking one specific diet of yours, and when your diet increases all of a sudden, in the night time you'll be waking around 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock all of a sudden without any alarm watch. And suddenly you'll just wake up and say that every time when it's 2 o'clock or it's 3 o'clock, why do I get up? So that is another symptom. Then, for that matter, once a jinn enters your family or your life, like I said, that no good work, no auspicious work can happen in that family. So which also means we will target the marriage aspect in this. So if there's any young person who wants to get married and is not getting married because of the jinn aspect, after different trials, so that simply means that yes, this has been blocked, the marriage section has been blocked by the jinn, because I told you about the attraction level of the jinn last time in the last video. Now another very important symptom is your health. Your health will start getting spoiled without any reason. No identification in the hospital reports. It will be unidentified. The doctors will say you're absolutely fine, but what is wrong with you? You will start having mental disorders. You will start forgetting things in your mind. Then wherever the jinn comes, like I've been telling you, they survive in dirty places. So you will get these smells of the toilet smell, and very, very filthy and a foul smell in your room when the jinn enters. This is one of the biggest ways to identify jinns, because anybody even else comes in your room, that person will be able to find out that there's something wrong with this room. And there's a particular timing that when you will actually be able to gauge that particular foul smell, when the jinn enters the room. Now, what are the other things of the jinn? Your complexion of the body starts changing into a darker complexion, because it's so, like I told you, these are fire entities. So you start turning into a blackish tone of your skin. So this is something your people will say that, what's wrong with your complexion? How come you become so dark? So then for the girls, you can feel that somebody is trying to forcefully get physical with you in the night time. And several such cases of jinns have come to us regarding girls, and they feel so hesitant to even tell it to anyone, in their family or even in their friends. But then somehow when they read the articles and they somehow reach and understand that there's something supernatural or abnormal happening. So these are few of the major symptoms. Of course, the financial aspect goes down, your health goes down, your social circle gets, completely, you get exhausted, you get isolated with all your friends, suddenly you will start having fights with your family members. So all of this is something that happens. Now, out of these symptoms, which one you are facing, that really depends. It's not that all the symptoms will come together. So that's about it. These are some major symptoms of the jinn. And if you're facing any of these, people who are watching this, or if you know somebody who's actually facing all these symptoms, that simply means that the jinn has entered their life, and it's high time they should be getting this checked from anywhere, any specialist, any known and dear ones of their family references. But do get this done, because this can actually turn out to be a very dangerous thing if it's not cured at the right time. That's about it. Thank you so much. I hope this video made some sense to you people, and you will be alert and alarmed after knowing all these facts. I'll see you next week. Goodbye.